with Paul Merkello on trumpet for Telemon's 7th Trumpet Concerto here on WCRB 1233. And today is already the next to last day of our 3-day fall membership drive. That's right, we're not doing a long pledge drive, but we do need to take some time to remind you that we are listener supported. Your contribution keeps the music playing, so please give now. Online at classicalwcrb.org or give us a call 888-995-9272. I'm Jesse Jacobs here with Mark Cohen.
And right now we're looking to receive 27 contributions by 1 o'clock, 27 more contributions in the next, 26 minutes. Help us stay on track for this very short membership drive. Please sign up as a sustaining member, or if you prefer, make a one-time gift. You can go online at classicalwcrb.org or give us a call, 888-995-9272. The money that you give today will help fund the music in the months ahead.
Support WCRB.
Because they're unified, they say they're not. Now, Trump said they're more unified than ever been, and that's true, but we'll still have two defectors. And that would be Susan Collins and Murkowski, that the Democrats, before even knowing who the nominee is, the Democrats are totally unified in opposing whoever the nominee is. So, as is the usual case, the Democrats are the gigantic hypocrites. But of course, it's not news that there's hypocrisy and hypocrites in politics. Before I get to my in-depth breakdown of my question, who are these people at the Trump rally? And again, it's not a critical observation, don't misunderstand. Let me start with line one, because we have some, I want to get calls on this now rather than an hour from now, and people may know why the caller is talking about the subject, but get the subject and the calls buttressed back to